everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open your ClickBank account. So go to www.clickbank.com and click Create Account. Once you are on the sign up page, you can see different options and tabs here. You can select your country based on where you are located. You can put your first name, your last name, street address, your postal code, city, phone number, and also email address. Once you fill all the details, just click Next Steps and it will direct you to the banking information. Since I already have an account here, so I'm not going to fill all these details, but these are very simple details. Now, when you are on the banking information, it will ask you for the bank, your tax ID, your bank account number, and all the bank related details. Just fill those details and hover to account information. On the account information, you have to select your ClickBank ID and also the password. That ClickBank ID and password can be used to log into your ClickBank account. Once you fill all the information, ClickBank will ask you to wait for a couple of days, and after that you will get a confirmation email that your account has been created and you are all set to promote the products and generate commissions. As I said, I already have an account with ClickBank, so if you feel any problem during the sign up process, just start a discussion and I will help you to answer those questions. So this was just an introduction on how to open a ClickBank account. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.